Are you also struggling with mould after insulating your house with external cladding and replacing the windows? Solve the problem with Helty Heat Recovery Ventilation. The innovative point-based mechanical ventilation system. Unlike ducted systems, it doesn't require invasive construction work, installs quickly, and ensures flexible and smart ventilation management. The continuous double-flow ventilation with adjustable airflows guarantees constant air exchange, expelling stale indoor air and filtering incoming air. The dual filter, in fact, captures pollen, smog and fine particulate matter. The system prevents energy waste by using the heat from extract air to warm the supply air. Helty HRV is the ideal solution for renovation. It's extremely silent and improves air quality as it maintains the building's thermal efficiency. Say goodbye to mould and breathe fresh, healthy air at home. Contact us for more information.